What's up with it, y'all? It's Richard D, and I'm back with another video. This is my Christmas gift, and I'm actually about to unbox it and show y'all what I was able to get, or what I got. It says, your balls will thank you. So yeah, y'all have guessed. It is the Manscape. I think this is the lawnmower 3.0, I believe. But anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing and show y'all what's all included in the box. And we can kind of go from there. This right here is, it says crop toner, crop reviver. And it's a ball toner, whatever that is. Yeah, I'm really not sure what this is used for. I guess I'll figure it out. But it just says ball toner. So we'll figure out, read the directions and figure out what it's used for. This one here is the crop preserver. This is the deodorizer, so I'll probably be using a lot of this. These are the actual clippers right here, nice size, still in plastic. Once I open them, I'll be able to see what they do. Hopefully they don't snag nothing down there. Hopefully they as smooth as they've been advertised. I think what's in this bag are like it feels like the charger dock and maybe some guards. So I'm gonna get into that bag and see what's all in that bag. Pull this tray out. We have a pair of boxer briefs. Manscaped sends you a pair of boxer briefs. I guess you select what size you want, because it's my size. And then you have a nice traveling bag to put everything in. And you also have like some type of newspaper telling you about the product, testimonials, cleanse and stuff, how to use it, and all that good stuff. The box presentation is pretty much like an inside-out box. I think that's pretty dope. So if you want to keep the box, it's really no need to. But the box itself is pretty dope. And it says we save balls, has a whole little read up about the company and all that good stuff. So yeah, man, this particular tool is basically to shave your growing area, keep them nice and groomed, keep them fresh. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got on this unboxing. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Until next time, peace. As I start to take a lot of the stuff out of the packaging, the accessories come with 2 guards, a little brush, the charging brick. Throw all that in a bag. Comes with a charging cable. Here's the actual dock. This is actually a wireless trimmer. This is the dock where it sits down into. It already have a little juice. Nice little vibration, quiet sounding. Feels good in the hand when you palm it. Yeah, man. Got a nice little light on it, so you can see what you're doing down there. Positive on, positive off button. Push it one time. I'm actually about to put it on a charge so it get a full charge, and probably gonna use it in the morning or sometime this week. This is how the boxer briefs look. It feels kind of silky. I like the fact that it has Manscape across the back of the band and Manscape on the front. So I actually think these will actually feel good once you good and shaved.